The Kabui Rongmei people, numbering about 1 lakh, living in northeast India, have been worshipping the supreme god Tingkao Ragwang and other gods from time immemorial. The name of the religion is called Tingkao Ragwang Chapriak, in short T.R.C. The worshipping of supreme god is mainly conducted on every Sunday morning and every full moon day. Before stepping into the temple, every devotee sprinkles holy water, kakudui, then enters the temple and occupies his or her seat. Men attending the mass prayer performed shouting of Hoi. Offering of holy wine to Tingkao Ragwang, and then lighting of candles by 2 elders. After the ritual is performed by the 2 elders, the mass prayer begins with an awakening song to the Supreme God. After the song is sung, chanting of Tingkao Ragwang for about a minute will be performed by the worshippers. After chanting of Tingkao Ragwang by the worshippers, then it is followed by a song in praise of Tingkao Ragwang. Then a song will be sung in praise of temple. A spiritual message is given by a resource person. After a spiritual message, a song for success is performed and it's accompanied with hymns. Then it is followed by a song for healing of the sick. After that, a special announcement will be made on progressive report. A song of longevity of life is sung and followed with hymns. A cultural dance is also presented at the end of the prayer. People attending the mass prayer join hands together, press and thank the Supreme God.